difference. You can make it.
Hey, let's go. What's up? Welcome to the lesson of Anderson .Paak and Bruno Mars. Leave the door open. So let's jump right into it. We're going to start with the F major 7. Now, if you don't know what F major 7 is, it's cool. Can you spell the word face? F-A-C-E. Yes. All right. F-A-C-E. That's our first chord. Spell out the word face, right? Cool thing about this is you can skip every note. You know where the F is? Right, bam, that's F, right? You see the 3 to the left of the fork right there? See that right there? To the left of that, that's the F, right? So we go F, skip a note, A, skip a note, C, skip a note, E. Bam, we are at the first chord. Cool, right? Now the cool thing about this is you see this shape, that A-C-E, right? All it's gonna do is move over one key, right? Everything is gonna go shift one over, right? That F is going to be there, it's going to stay there, and that's going to get moved over, right? But the cool thing about this is F is going to be over here. We're just playing the same F, right? Right? And then we got our E minor, right? Now remember that same formula, skip a note, skip a note, skip a note, skip a note, E, G, B, D, right? That's our E minor 7. E minor 7, so E, G, B, D, right? And then that same formula for the A minor 7. A, skip a note, skip a note, skip a note, skip a note. We got A minor 7, right? A, C, E, G, right? So let's review really quick. Let's go to the chord again. First chord, spell out the word face, F-A-C-E. And then we got our G, B, D, right? Same chord. And then we got our, check that out. Look at that. The same chord, we didn't even have to change chords. We stayed on the same chord. That GBD stays there for that E minor. And now we go to the A minor 7, right? A, C, E, G, right? Right, so that goes that G chord. Stay on that G chord for the E. To the A minor 7, right? Right, that G is optional. If we want to, right? And that's the main part. Now when we get to the melody part, check this out. We're gonna do the same chords, but we're gonna invert it. So we got the F-A-C-E, right? That was our same chord, but now we're just gonna move that A. We're just gonna move it to the top. So we're gonna play the A up here, right? And then we're gonna play a E over here. So we're gonna get C-E-A, right? That's gonna be our voicing. Right, C-E-A, and then we're gonna move everything over one key. Right, you see that? And then move everything over one key. Right? And then when we get to our E, we got D, G, B. D, G, B, and then for our A minor, we got E, A, C. Right? So that's the melody at the top, right? C-E-A. I'ma leave the door open. Oh, sorry. I'ma leave the door open. Right, same bass note. Now we move to the D-G-B. I'ma leave the door open. Right? Now, let's jump to the bridge part. So this bridge part starts with the E flat major 7, right? Right? E flat, G, B flat, D, right? E flat, G, B flat, D. That's our first chord, right? And then our next chord is an A flat major 7. A flat major 7 is gonna be A flat, E flat, G, C, right? Now you can put the E flat at the top to give it a little bit color, right? If you want to, right? But I have this C at the top, because it's part of that melody when we do the walk down. So if you gonna lay in these arms, if you wanna lay in these arms, right? So that walk down starts with that C being at the top, right? So we got that C at the top, G, C in the left, in the right hand, and then A flat and E flat in the left hand. I go down, right? I'm playing a G minor 7, right? F, B flat, D, F, B flat, D, right? And I have a G in the bass. F, B flat, D, G in the bass, right? I move down one more. I have a F minor 7, F minor 7, F, A flat, C, E flat, F, A flat, C, E flat, right? Then I have another E flat major 7, right? G, B flat, D, F. You can put the E, F in there. For color, if you want to, you can kind of leave it out if it makes it a little bit easier. And then the last chord we have is that sus, right? That G sus, right? C, D, G, C, D, G, C, D, G, right? Right? Usually sus usually resolves, right? And we can talk about that in another lesson. But that's the whole bridge part. So let's go through it. First part, time. I ain't playing no games, and to the A flat major 7 to the G, so the A flat G, F, E flat, Jesus. I'ma leave the door open. Right to the E, to the A minor 7, right? That's the whole song. Once you can get both of those parts down, right? Let's quick review. F major 7, move to that G over it, E minor 7, right? And then that A minor 7. Then the bridge is got that E flat major 7 to the A flat major 7 to the G minor, F minor 7 to the E flat major 7, and then to the G sus, and then we're back to the top. Leave the door open. Hey, you know what I'm saying? Right? So this has been a tutorial for leave the door open. If you want to leave the door open for more tutorials like this, please like and subscribe to my channel. That was so cheesy. But I'm gonna leave it on there. And if you want to take lessons with me in person or virtual, make sure you reach out to me. Leave it in the comments or shoot me a personal message. I'm TJ Fisher here with Drums for Success, helping you to make a difference one beat at a time. Peace.
You can make a difference. Hey, we can make a difference. Drums for Success.